Dee here from Fuchsia's Past Boutique, and today I'm going to show you antique Victorian mourning jewelry. The average Victorian's lifespan was way shorter than ours, and back then they only lived into their 40s or 50s on average. So for them, every day and every moment counted. They didn't have medical care like we do, and they were very sentimental. They kept keepsakes and things that help them to remember and honor and cherish their loved ones. So today I'm going to show you mourning hair jewelry. The Victorians turned their deceased loved one's hair into beautiful works of art. And when somebody died, they would take their hair and turn them into watch fobs, rings, pins, earrings, and any other kind of jewelry you can imagine. To them, sentimentality was important. So today, here we go. I'm going to show you some antique Victorian watch fobs made out of hair. This one has the initials of the person that passed away on a watch fob charm, and I'm going to show you the workmanship. This one has a trolley or a stagecoach or a streetcar charm. I don't know what this means, but for everything during the Victorian era, there was symbolism behind it. So this might have meant that the person was going on a journey. This one is an Intaglio Cameo style agate fob charm, and it depicts some kind of Roman or Greek goddess. And you can see the intricate weaving that was done on this. This one has a owl and crescent moon with a padlock and skeleton keys. And I'll show you the beautiful weaving. This one has forget-me-nots, which was a beautiful symbol of memory for their loved ones. And it has a pretty, almost like a plaited braid. And last but not least, this one has forget-me-nots as well. And I threw in this beautiful Victorian coin purse. I thought it was very pretty and well made. It looks like a little trunk. And it has lovely little embellishments on it. So today I'm glad to share with you my antique Victorian mourning jewelry collection. And as I get more, I'm going to make more videos showing you the beautiful art and craftsmanship. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.